Boy, you can't just battle me.
What's going on, Kiko family? Out here with another vlog. We got OC Bimmers out here, Moto Club. We're at Nudae. I don't know if you guys have seen my other videos, but we support this small business right here with the most bombest coffee down in Orange County. We got a bunch of Bimmers that showed up, a lot bigger than we are used to, which is awesome. So thank you guys, whoever's watching my video, that came and support us over here with OC Bimmers and Kick It with Kiko. But yes, we got Moto. Everyone showed up. We're about to head over to the Supercars Sunrise event. This is the complete place I always talk about.
It's yummy.
Yummy?
Yummy?
Is yummy?
Wow. Ooh, which one?
What's up, Boomer? Made it out to a car meet this time, huh? Got your coffee, bro. Thank you. Got your coffee. Who else is with them? Is them? Yes. Hi. See, this one's Sonic.
He really wants his Sonic.
All right, Boomer. Just park right in front of mine.
What's up?
Just park right in front right here.
Shit, what's up, fool? What's up?
What's up, dog? Finally driving it?
Finally.
Sheesh.
M2 section?
Oh yeah, you can park in the M2 section now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Hey, you're welcome to the M family, sir.
Park in front of the fake M or the
Hey, park in front of the fake M. Hey, in front of the fake M is fine, bro. It's cool. You just mad because the fake M faster. For now. Nah, he ain't gonna unlock that ECU. The bolita's not big enough. How you let him beat you, bro?
It's that heated seats got me, you know?
The heated, oh, lavish over here.
He's online right now.
Damn, I like the matte PPF on top of the frozen. It actually changed.
You can't tell.
It literally looks exactly the same.
I could.
A little bit, yeah.
I could tell, but it made it creamier. It's weird.
Oh, I see.
Like it looked frozen before the PPF, and then the matte PPF on top of the frozen paint made it look like it's creamy. Almost like a chalk.
The door handles are massive.
Watch us pull in. Hey, you see they've had it, oh, Hasi said they've had it for a while already. That Porsche right there.
GTI?
No, the Porsche.
Oh, GTI.
Same thing. You ain't wrong. That's all the Porsches. It's just a very upgraded Volkswagen, you know?
Essentially, yes. Yeah, they did everything. They did the full
What are you doing?
I'm drinking matcha,
Mhm.
enjoying my car.
Matcha with the view. Matcha with the view. We got Rod's new G87. Finally brought it out. We got Andrew's G87, Andrew and D's. We got the new homie Don. He's probably gonna be picking up a diamond exhaust pretty soon. We got Chip in the back. We still got more back here. We got an electric blue M4 CS, M340i back there. Then we got a F80 M3. We got one of our best customers out in SSR Performance. My boy Hasi and his dad showed up. Oh yeah, there's Snow. Snow made it because Faye's here today. We got a G87 back there. We got another G80 M3 right over here. Guys, thank you guys for all the love and support. This has truly been really great adventure so far with OC Beamers. We're definitely growing the page, and we're also growing the car meets. Please, if you guys do show up, keep it chill just like how it is right now. As of right now, we have no cop trouble, and on top of all of that, the business is loving it. The cops are actually loving it because we are supporting the small business. But other than that, it is a chill car meet, guys. So come on through. If you're in the OC area, come hang out with some Beamer gangs, and what we're gonna do is support Nudae and continue this festivities. All right, we're gonna gather everybody up, and we're gonna start heading out over to Supercars and Sunrise by Kurt. Kurt was the one that threw all the events together. We're gonna get everything going. Let's get it, Kiko family. Sunday fun day, baby. Let's get it. Afraid?
Okay.
Afraid?
Don't look down on you.
Yeah, okay. Now you're saying this?
At all.
You better show up to the track day, because that's the scariest. That's what I thought. Who's scared now? Damn, you right. You right. That lip is cute. I wonder where I got it.
I don't know.
Who did I get it from? It's almost like an M235i previous owner over here. Yeah? Yeah? I appreciate you though.
Nice and shiny.
I appreciate you though. These are all the Beamers that actually came with us. Get you guys an idea. We actually came pretty heavy this time, guys. All right, y'all. Hey, I know we had our own meet over there, but like I know we paid for parking, but y'all want to look at some supercars or? Everyone's like, yo, we paid for parking. We're chilling right here. I know, just us alone, they made like $400, bro. Just us alone. Oh, make sure y'all lock your cars, cause you know we're in the hood of Irvine. Right. Yeah, guys, careful, okay? Careful. Hey, hide your kids, hide your wife.
Are we gonna jaywalk for the police? It's legal. It's legal. It's like the corner.
Hey, they don't want none of this. None of this. No good. Uh-oh.
I'm not going to that. He's in the traffic. They decide to fight.
All right, guys. Looks like everybody's already starting to leave. Hey, tap in. Hey, tap in.
You already know what time it is. We out here, detail printing, nails, AJ, detail supplies. We got it all, baby. Make sure you tap in.
Fam, I thought you did detailing, not an MC, dog.
Yeah, I'm supposed to rhyme right now. You don't want me to go to money.
Homie, like, hey, check it. Tap in.
Tap in.
We live out here.
Live demo going on.
Oh, live demo,
guys.
live demo. Can y'all wrap my butt cheeks?
We got the live demo going down. Make sure you got there.
Hey, hi, boom boom. Should be right behind me, right there. Hi. You guys already looked around? Hidden Hills. All right, whoever could limbo this, get $20 right now. I want to see how many bones crack, how many joints hurt.
You gotta give me more than that.
No, at this point right here, we could limbo it.
It's like backpack.
Me and him are like, dog, we could walk right through, dog. What are you talking about? right, y'all. So we're here at the Marriott Supercar Sunrise. Looks like we should be seeing some of our familiar exotics here. Probably some from SSR as well. Oh, I've seen that satin black one before. This one's clean. Hey, what you think about like the highlighter yellow and like orange and stuff like that?
Cars,
yeah.
it works.
You like it?
Yeah.
I don't know why I don't like it.
Not even on super.
The G80s, I like them. I don't know why I don't like them on supercars.
Oh, you prefer it on the knees?
The knees, yeah. I think because they're so busy already that it's like a bright color just.
But I mean, this one is it because it's just, and then it's the black.
So like for example, right now you see brightness and you just see the brightness, right?
Right.
But if you look at the like a midnight blue over there, you can see the lines.
True.
Like the shadows, the contrast, like you're able to actually
Because it's a
appreciate how
darker
it looks.
color. That's what darker colors do.
Correct.
Darker colors,
G80, it's kind of bubbly. You can actually get away with a bright color because it needs something to like brighten it up. But like these,
agree.
they got so many lines that you need to compliment them, man.
Thank you. Clean my car right now.
What the? I don't know, maybe. Yo, G, how you doing? I am so sorry. Yo, he's over here trying to take a picture and getting pictures of my ankles. I'm so sorry, bro.
Work on the kinkles.
Yeah, I gotta work on my cankles, bro. You know, I'll get it model ready soon, though.
There's a market for everything.
There's a market for everything. Oh, ask him how it went.
He was scared.
No, I was scared. My heart was just beating fast.
You want to take a picture?
How you like the cars here?
Yeah.
So you like these ones better, or do you like the BMWs better?
I don't know.
All right, I'm gonna make my rounds real quick. See you guys in a bit. See you guys later. We got 765 LT, AMG GT. It looked like a black series, or is that a R? All. Dang, I didn't even realize there was all this in here. Oh, I've seen this one before. Whoops. Dang, there's so many people in here. There's no way I'm gonna capture anything. Gorgeous. It is very busy in here. Oh, y'all seen this one in all my other videos. This guy flames out all the time. I'm sure he'll be flaming out later on tonight. Full carbon. You guys have seen this one at Ancillary Studios. This one has, hey, did you know that this has actual diamonds in the paint? Like in the gloss? Yeah, that's actual diamonds that you see in there. Nice Aventador over there. And the content over there, which has been at the shop already before. But yeah, guys, you guys have seen this one on my last video. Insane diamonds in the clear coat. It is, at least I don't think. Oh, well, there's Harry.
There he is. What's up, baby?
Good. I see you too, man. Took the RA today, huh?
Yeah, man. Switch it up. Baby.
Damn, dog. When you gonna let me have that thing, dog?
Whatever, bro.
Come on, dog.
Give me a number.
Bro,
You know what it is.
number? Nah, no number. I'll just make videos of it. Yeah. Love you, bro. I see you. Damn, you can hear that thing get in the gear. Yeah, they already did. Appreciate you, Doug. Hey, next time, let my Beamers in. Just kidding. Didn't believe me. Dang BMW owners. All they do is they wish they had a Porsche. I ain't gonna lie, I do. I mean, I am a BMW owner and I wish I had a Porsche. I can definitely contest to that. Hey, Papa, you leaving? Yep. All right, man. Hey, you be easy, dude. Let me know. Let me know if you need anything, dog. I got you, bro. Damn, that's close. Later, bro. Later, brother. Take it easy, dude.
I'll see you.
I'll see you soon. God, like a shadow just showed up. That's a nice refrigerator.